Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Abdullah Mamun. Welcome to my income engine review. Now I am here inside of the members area of income engine. Once you will get it, it going to looks like this. And during this video, I am going to give you a demo exactly what this is. Basically, in a nutshell, income engine profit sales engine in 60 seconds. Sell any kinds of product in any nice and get your unlimited hot buyer traffic from 2.8 billion visitors. It comes with done for you 3 in 1 interactive sell engine, 15 premium template, hot products, built in hosting, free buyers traffic, autoresponder, email swipe, inbuilt payment gateway, free SSL. So anyway, if this is something that you are interested, then stick with me because I am going to go into more details. And I have also put together a ton of custom bonuses. Those for you like to pick this up by the link which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on that link, it will bring you through to this page, which is my sale page. If you like to pick this up, it is going to live on June 18, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As of that time, you will be able to visit my bonus page. Then click any of this button. It's saying click here to secure your coffee and your bonus. Before the countdown timer on my bonus page hit 0, when it will hit 0, my bonus will be expired. So obviously I do not want to miss out. So now I wanna go straight into my bonus. So bonus number 1, its value 427.95 and it's called access 7-minute system. And bonus number 2, its value 46.95. It's called accelerate your traffic with Bing. And bonus number 3, its value 344.95. It's called build your fast website in 3 easy steps. And bonus number 4, its value 267. It's called access insurgency. And bonus number 5, its value 197. Actually this is the vendor bonus. Vendor gives me some bonus and I will also give you those bonus. So let's check out the vendor bonus. Bonus number 1, the ultimate multi-level marketing secret. Bonus number 2, list building expert. Bonus number 3, I am fast start. Bonus number 4, chatbot marketing mastery. And bonus number 5, email list building blueprint. So guys, now I wanna know some interesting part. If you buy this product from my link which is down below in the description of this YouTube video, you will get all of my bonus and vendor bonus completely free, and there is no charge, instant delivery to you, and it will help you for your business and it will help you to get this business. And my bonus cost is almost $1,300 and my vendor bonus cost is almost $1,298 and total value is almost $2,600 and is completely free for you. So guys, now to claim this bonus, all you need to do, first of all, you have to click down below in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on that link, it will bring you through to this page, which is my bonus page. If you like to pick this up, it is going to live on June 18 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As of that time, you will be able to visit my bonus page. Then click any of this button on my bonus page. It will bring you through to this sale page where you can go ahead and pick this up. As soon as you pick this up, simply go through to your Oreo Plus account. In the top of your right hand side, you can see your username. Then click your username. Then click purchase history. Then click income engine. Then it will bring you through to this receipt page. It's called access affiliate bonus. When you will click here, then you can access all of my bonus and vendor bonus, and I already mentioned it's completely free for you and there is no charge and instant delivery to you, and it will help you to get this business. So guys, now let's check out the price. The front end income engine $17, upsell on income engine unlimited $67, upsell 2 income engine done for you $97, upsell 3 income engine high ticket maximize $47, and upsell 4 income engine drive $67, upsell 5 passive income masterclass $47, upsell 6 multiple streams of income masterclass $47, and upsell 7 income engine traffic booster $67, upsell 8 income engine reseller license $127. Even if you pick up the front end, it is only $17. Also you are getting my bonus and my vendor bonus. I already mentioned is completely free and its value almost $2,600 and instant delivery to you when you will pick this up. So guys, don't forget to buy this product from my link which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. So guys, now I now go straight into the members area. Once you will get it, it going to same looks like this. So now I am going to go into more details on every single aspect inside of here. So this is dashboard. It has a sales engine, sales history, autoresponder, abundant order, email swipe, setting, get started, and support. Dashboard, you can see this option: total orders this month, total orders this week, today's order, sales engine, sales revenue. Actually income engine is really very good product. Hopefully you will get this, and don't forget to buy this product from my link which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. So this is the sales engine, view sales engine, create sales engine. Let's check out the view sales engine. This is the view sales engine. Actually I am just showing what it has inside, and you guys can see I have the permission to access the members area, so I can show you what it has inside and hopefully you will get it. So this is the sales history. There is another create sales engine, the all about create sales engine. This is autoresponder, main chips, API key, audience ID, save, get responder, everything you guys will know what it is. Abundant order, this is all about abundant order. Email swipe, this is all about email swipe. This is setting. Disclaimer, privacy and contact, other setting. This is all about other setting. Get started. How do I get started? This is all everything. This is the video. You can learn everything, and it is very organized and you can learn very quick. Then it is the support. How can we help you? So this is, you can search and you can get, if you need any help you can reach out here. So guys, this is all about the members area. So let's check out the bonus one more time, and let's check out the price one more time. This is a front end income engine $17, upsell on 67, upsell 2 97, upsell 3 47, upsell 4 67, upsell 5 47, upsell 6 47, both are same price. Upsell 7 67, upsell 8 127. So guys, now I wanna go into the sell page. this pop-up will come. Also you can save the $4, so it will be just $9.95 one time. So don't forget to don't miss out this pop-up. So it's called Active Income Engine Traffic Bots in one click and get free buyer traffic from 353 M visitor. There is a demo, you can check it out. And there are a ton of stuff inside of here. This is the proof of income. It's really very good product. Hopefully you will get it. So when you have a free time, just check out everything, read through everything. And I already mentioned about the vendor bonus. It's completely free for you and its value almost $1,298. Hopefully you will not miss out. This is the vendor bonus I already mentioned. So guys, anyway, I already mentioned about my bonus. Please don't forget to check out my bonus. It's completely free for you and there is no charge, instant delivery to you, and it will help you to get this business. So once you will get it, it brings me to the end of this YouTube video. So see you next time. All the best. Take care. Bye.